Shiba Inu is on the verge of something critical. Analysts send out their signals. People are scared. Almost $500 million at stake. The US government shocks everyone with gigantic news. Why is this happening? How will this make sense? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today is a pretty crucial day for Shiba Inu. Analysts are saying that the token is at a critical point, creating a lot of uncertainty in the market. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see that Shiba Inu tried to break through a key resistance level, but failed. This revealed a strong selling zone right around the middle of the Fibonacci range. At the moment, Shiba Inu is testing some support levels, and it's now hovering around a psychological threshold, which makes things even more crucial. With a few rejections at lower prices, the token seems to have entered a bit of a sideways movement in the short term. So what's actually causing this bearish price action with Shiba Inu? Why is this happening? Well, it turns out that the bigger picture might have a lot to do with Bitcoin, and that's been adding to the bearish pressure on the entire market, including Shiba Inu. Bears have been eyeing Bitcoin to hit around the 90,000 mark, and right now it's not looking too great. Bitcoin ETFs are seeing massive outflows, with a whopping amount of money being pulled out. In fact, just yesterday, Bitcoin ETFs experienced one of the largest outflows in a long time, with nearly $500 million leaving the market. This has had a big impact on the total market cap, which has dropped significantly to about $3.28 trillion as the crypto market slides deeper into bearish territory. With the negative sentiment growing, Bitcoin has fallen below the $94,000 mark, which has been a key support level. The fact that Bitcoin is struggling to maintain its dominance above that level is putting even more pressure on the whole market. The US Bitcoin spot ETFs are feeling it too. They've seen the second largest outflow ever recorded, and this is mainly driven by some of the biggest players like Fidelity, ARK Invest, and BlackRock, all of which have seen large sums of money exit their Bitcoin funds. But here's the crazy part. Things are about to get even more intense. The US government is now in a position where it might have to sell a massive chunk of Bitcoin. These Bitcoins were seized from the infamous Silk Road marketplace, and the government has been given the green light to liquidate a huge total of over 69,000 Bitcoins. This possible selling pressure could end up being a nightmare for Bitcoin bulls, especially since they're already struggling to regain some momentum. Now, when you connect all the dots, it starts to make sense why Shiba Inu is also struggling to rise. The entire market is feeling the weight of this uncertainty surrounding Bitcoin. With Bitcoin facing this potential massive sell-off, the overall market sentiment is bearish, and Shiba Inu, like many other altcoins, is caught in the fallout. When Bitcoin stumbles, it pulls everything else down with it, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So, the pressure on Shiba Inu makes more sense. It's really just a part of the broader struggle the whole crypto market is dealing with at the moment. But wait, there might actually be some hope for Shiba Inu after all. Analysts just came out with some analysis that says Shiba Inu could be in a phase where people are buying and holding onto it, which could set it up for a price jump later on. They've found a key zone where Shiba Inu is being accumulated, and if things go well, the price could rise as high as 4 times its current value. Now, we all know Shiba Inu has been following the market's downward trend recently, with its price dropping over the past few days. It's currently at a pretty low price, and there's been some selling pressure. But despite all this, analysts believe that this drop might actually be a good sign, showing that people are buying up Shiba Inu at these lower prices, which sets it up for a possible comeback. According to the analysis, Shiba Inu is pulling back within a pattern where it could get cheaper before bouncing back. There's a certain price range that could be a key spot for buyers to step in and scoop up more coins. If it hits this zone, analysts think the price could rise steadily, with a few key targets ahead. If things go well, Shiba Inu could even reach levels close to 4 times its current price. So, looking at Shiba Inu now, it makes sense why it's struggling a bit. It's part of the market's natural ups and downs. But if buyers come in at the right time, we could see a nice turnaround and a good rise in price. It's not all doom and gloom. It just might need a little time to bounce back. On top of this, its burn rate has absolutely skyrocketed, shooting up by over 4,000%. In the last 24 hours, a huge chunk of Shiba Inu tokens, over 21 million, have been permanently removed from circulation. This big burn event is a major positive for the Shiba Inu community, as it helps reduce the total supply of Shiba Inu, which could potentially increase its value over time. This huge surge in the burn rate comes after a massive single burn of over 21 million tokens in just one go. Now, this makes things even more interesting. The market might be struggling, but this big burn event could be the beginning of something that helps build more positive momentum for Shiba Inu. If the burn rate continues at this pace, it'll keep reducing the total supply, which is always a good thing for the price in the long run. So, even though Shiba Inu is facing some challenges right now, these kinds of positive actions are helping to lay the foundation for a stronger future. But here's the crazy part. There's even more great news coming today. Shytoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, just revealed some exciting details about the upcoming token and how it will all fit into the bigger picture of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. He recently joined a podcast called Meme Mania and the 36 Chambers of Tech and dropped some major insights into the future of Shiba Inu. Shytoshi Kusama introduced the concept of the Shiba network state, drawing comparisons to the Montevideo Convention's criteria for statehood. Basically, he described Shiba Inu as a digital entity, almost like a digital country. What makes it unique is the 4-token governance system that powers the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem. The 4 tokens, Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, and the upcoming Treat, each have distinct roles that keep the project running smoothly. Shiba Inu governs the community, Bone takes care of the tech side, Leash manages the rules and regulations, and Treat will drive innovation and marketing efforts. This structure allows Shiba Inu to operate in a decentralized way, giving its global community a chance to be actively involved in the decisions that shape its future. Beyond just governing, these tokens play strategic roles that will help Shiba Inu evolve into a stronger, more decentralized project. Shiba Inu is all about community engagement. Bone focuses on making sure the technology is solid and secure. Leash handles the ecosystem's rules, and Treat is the token that will push for fresh ideas and make sure the marketing side is strong. It's clear that while the market might be going through a rough patch, the Shiba Inu project is laying down some serious foundations for long-term growth. Shiba Inu is positioning itself not just as a meme coin, but as a real decentralized system with clear roles for its community and tokens. So even if the price is struggling right now, these developments could set the stage for a strong comeback and more sustainable growth in the future. This just goes to show that no matter what the market's doing, the people behind Shiba Inu are still working tirelessly behind the scenes. Shytoshi Kusama's recent actions and insights show they're focused on building something long-lasting, not just riding the wave of the market's ups and downs. Just like he said in another tweet, every Shiba holder matters. This really speaks to the heart of the Shiba Inu project, where the community is at the core of everything. Even in tough times, the Shiba Inu team is pushing forward, creating new tokens, improving the ecosystem, and making sure that everyone who holds Shiba Inu is part of something bigger. It's all about the long-term vision, and the dedication behind it all shows that Shiba Inu is not just a passing trend. It's aiming to be a real player in the crypto world. So instead of focusing on all the negativity, we should remember the bigger picture. Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, shared some powerful words in a tweet that really hit home. She said that when you encounter negativity or resistance to progress, it often comes from fear of change or insecurity. Her advice? Keep building, keep pushing forward, and let your actions speak louder than their doubts. Progress doesn't need everyone's approval. It just needs determination. This is a great reminder that even in tough times, staying focused on what's important and continuing to move forward is what really matters. The road to success isn't always smooth, but with determination, you can overcome the doubts and make meaningful progress. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.